Come on. I just want to do a knife flick. There we go. Hey guys, it's IJacap back here with a brand new video for you today, and in today's video, that was really fast, I'm very impressed. I am here to do an unboxing video because I haven't done one in a super duper long time. I'm talking way too fast. I've had too many cups of coffee today. And also, I'm rocking my new Nike t-shirt that I picked up the other day. I am so fresh right now. Fresh haircut, fresh outfit, just I'm feeling amazing today. Anyways, in today's video, as a creator, I'm always constantly on the go. And I was like, I need something that can give me power on the go because I'm always struggling of, keeping my camera charged, especially when I'm vlogging and stuff, and like sometimes extra batteries don't cut it, and I need power on the go to charge up those batteries while I'm like in my downtime doing other stuff like driving and stuff and going from place to place. Downtime that the camera can charge, so I can get this stuff filmed and stuff like on my laptop and like everything. I need everything to stay fully charged, and that's a difficult thing. So yeah, I'm here to unbox the future of power banks here. This has been supplied by Anker. This video is not sponsored. Anker did not give me any money. They did not send me any emails. They did not tell me to promote this product. I bought this product with my own money. So again, this is not sponsored, so people aren't gonna say, oh, you're a sellout. Yeah, no, I didn't get sponsored, unfortunately. So I'm gonna open this up and cut towards myself because that's very smart idea. I just love that sound. You like that sound? Okay, so here's the packaging for it. I am gonna open it up. Oh my goodness, look at that. Excuse me, can you not do that right now? Is it even important? No, it's not even important. It's just like something stupid. I'm gonna opening this up. Oh my gosh, as you can see here, looking in the package, we've got a beautiful baby boy. It's quite heavy actually. It's a little bit bigger than I thought, but this is like very high performance. This is. It's got two USB 3.0, so these are fast charge ones, and then you have one for your input. Some have two as an input, so it'll charge twice as fast, but as you use a fast charger, I mean honestly, you could charge this up fully in probably, I'd say maybe 10 hours. But this is 20,000 milliamps, so I mean, like, this is gonna keep you going. Actually, no, this is 20,100. So this is a lot of power packed into a small package. So this can even charge a MacBook Pro through USB-C and give you extra power on the go. So this is very capable. It's battery pack, that's for sure. Always been looking for something on the go. I don't know, it's got 50% in it right now. So what else comes in the box? As you can see, there's an instruction manual that says happy and it says not happy. We're just happy that you're happy. Tell your friends and family, share this. What's in it for me if I share it? And then you just basically have your instruction manual here, same stuff that comes in every single box. It tells you to preserve the license, recharge at least every 4 months, so you don't, do not expose to liquids, avoid dropping, do not disassemble, avoid extreme temperatures, use original or certified cables. Basically everything on here, if you want to pause it and read it, it's not that interesting. Accessories, and lifting this up, if I can lift the damn thing up. Oh, come on. Well, I should probably use the pull tabs. That probably makes sense. I think this is a little bag. Who knows? Oh, it's gonna be a little bag for it. That's actually really cool. I actually really like that. That's actually gonna provide it with a bit of protection, actually. So it basically just slides in like that, and then yeah, you've got a little power bank that you can take with you, and then you just squeeze this thing in. It looks like a little purse or something. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm like, got too much energy. It's a problem, guys. Oh, there's something else. Oh my gosh! They give us a little cable too. Oh, I thought the unboxing was over. No! You, basically a little case for it and then a little cable for it too. I always need these cables. I go through them like water. I don't know what happens to them. They're just like socks. They just disappear. It's like socks when you do the laundry. They just, the pairs go missing and you just don't know what to do with yourself. And then you end up wearing odd pairs of socks. Like, anyways, getting back on the topic because, as me again, I always get off topic talking about something that doesn't make any sense. So I'll probably just come back to this video a week later and give you a comprehensive review of how things changed over time. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a week. Okay, Jack Hambidge's comprehensive review of this Anker thing here, this Anker Power Bank or whatever you want to call it. It's been a week, roughly around a week. It's been about 6 days. So absolutely incredible. It has charged up my iPhone from, I'd say, like basically 10% all the way up to a full charge about 2 times. I haven't even had to plug this phone into an outlet. I've used it off of this Anker thing and it's done an excellent job. It doesn't quite have enough power to like charge an iPad from like 0 to full more than once. So I wouldn't expect it to do anything very spectacular. There is more like comprehensive, more high capacity ones available. So let's jump back to previous Jack a week earlier, and yeah, we will finish the video. So this is my comprehensive review a week later. Let's jump back in time to a week, and yeah, we will finish the video. Am I ever good at time travel? I tell ya, I'm so excellent at it. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I know I say that every single time I end a video, and you guys are probably sick to death of hearing it, but I really appreciate it. I do. It means the world to me, and people think, oh, it's probably not gonna matter that much if I dislike this video or like this video, but honestly, when people like my videos, it really helps me. Really helps me know that you're enjoying what I'm doing and that I'm doing the right thing. So yeah, I will leave a link down below in the description so you can check out one of these for yourself and purchase one. Honestly, if you travel a lot and you are on the go a lot, having one of these is definitely a lifesaver, especially if you're a creator and you vlog and you do all of these crazy things and you need power on the go. This is an absolute must. And yeah, I will leave a link down below in the description. Again, this was not sponsored by Anker. They did not send me this. They did not tell me to promote this. They did not give me any money for this. I spent my own money on this product. Make sure you click like and subscribe. Turn on the bell for the notifications so that you get notified every time I post a new video, because that's the only way you get notified nowadays on YouTube. This is unfortunately the reality of YouTube. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. That's it, my dudes. See you next week, and take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys.